Good morning and welcome. If you're starting this day feeling overwhelmed, uncertain, or simply looking for a moment of peace before the day begins, you're exactly where you need to be. This morning meditation will help you set powerful intentions, clear your mind, and step into your day with confidence and positive energy. Find a comfortable position. You can sit with your back straight or lie down if that feels better. Close your eyes or soften your gaze and know that the next 15 minutes are just for you. Let's begin by arriving fully in this moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and release slowly through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply, feeling your lungs expand, and exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding. One more time, breathe in fresh energy and breathe out anything you no longer need. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the air flowing in and flowing out. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the surface beneath you supporting you completely. You are safe. You are grounded. You are here. Scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension, your jaw, your shoulders, your hands. Without judgment, simply acknowledge them. And with each exhale, invite those areas to soften, to release, to let go. As we begin this new day, let's take a moment to honor what has passed. Think about yesterday or the days before, the challenges you faced, the moments you celebrated, the lessons you learned. Without holding on to them, simply acknowledge them. They were part of your journey, but they do not define this moment. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any worries, any frustrations, any unfinished thoughts. See them dissolving like morning mist in the sunlight. Breathe in fresh possibility. Breathe out the weight of the past. You are not the same person you were yesterday. You have grown. You have evolved. And today, you stand at the beginning of a new day, filled with infinite potential. Now let's set intentions for the hours ahead. Imagine yourself at the end of today. It's evening, and you're reflecting back. What do you want to feel? How do you want to have shown up? Maybe you want to feel productive, focused, at peace. Maybe you want to prioritize your health, your relationships, your creativity. Choose 1 or 2 intentions for today, not goals with pressure, but gentle guideposts. Whisper them silently to yourself now. Beautiful. Now let's anchor these intentions with affirmations. Repeat these words in your mind, or simply let them wash over you. I am capable of handling whatever today brings. I trust in my ability to adapt and grow. I choose to focus on what I can control. I give myself permission to rest when I need it. I am worthy of success and joy. Today I show up as my best self. I attract positive energy and opportunities. I am grateful for this new beginning. Feel these affirmations settling into your heart, into your cells, into your energy field. They are true. They are yours. Now let's visualize your ideal day unfolding. See yourself moving through your day with energy and purpose. Notice how you handle each moment with grace and confidence. Imagine yourself at work, at home, in your relationships, showing up fully present. Challenges arise, but you handle them with calm wisdom. You know you have everything you need within you. See yourself making choices that align with your highest good, choosing the healthier option, setting the boundary, taking the break, speaking the truth, moving your body, nourishing your mind. Watch yourself connecting with others from a place of authenticity. Your energy is magnetic because it's genuine. You give freely, but you also receive with an open heart. And at the end of this day, you rest knowing you did your best. You showed up. You honored yourself and others, and that is enough. This vision is not fantasy. This is your potential, and it begins today. It begins now. As we prepare to close this meditation, take a moment to cultivate gratitude. Thank yourself for taking this time this morning. Thank your body for carrying you through each moment. Thank your breath for sustaining you. And thank this new day, even before it unfolds, for all the lessons, growth, and moments of beauty it will bring. Begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll your shoulders. When you're ready, bring your hands to your heart center. Feel the warmth there. This is your power. This is your light. And slowly, in your own time, open your eyes. Welcome to your day. You are ready. You are capable. You are exactly where you need to be. Have a beautiful morning.